Don't cross the line. All who does will be.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. This weekend I'm out in Lumberton, New Jersey, just visiting some family. Brought the modified Talaria XXX with me just so we can squeeze a ride in for the weekend. I'm actually riding behind my wife. This is our new Lexus GX 460 that I'm now using to haul my dirt bikes around. I got this to replace my 2002 Nissan Pathfinder, which currently has like 204,000 miles. It's just starting to show its age, and it recently left me stranded on the side of 95 overheating, so I figured I'd pick up something a lot more reliable. Just letting my brother-in-law take it out for a spin.
That was awesome, man. 3. Woo!
Oh, is that your first time putting it on 3?
Yeah. That's sick, dude. Like, that was scary.
The torque?
Yeah. I didn't know it was gonna wheelie.
What'd you hit on the street?
I didn't even look, like 54 while I was slowing down.
In the neighborhood? Jesus, man. A little bit of a change of scenery. I'm out here in Philadelphia visiting Connor G over here. It says it peaks out at 15. I don't believe it. Probably like 12. One of these days, man, I want to learn how to ride like this guy. I do not understand how he's able to just chill on his bike like this. All right, you want to do a real pull?
Yeah.
From a dig?
Let's do it.
All right. Are you running on the same exact tune Brooks got you?
Yeah, the one that Kyler has.
Yeah.
Just the one node. Yep.
Ready?
Ready?
This dude is freaking crazy.
Have you been to Philly before?
Very briefly.
Okay. Don't worry.
Your boy Connor is freaking nuts, man.
You want to swap quick? Let's do it. 72.
Damn, this man's rear brake is serious. This is miles ahead of my freaking stock brake.
Definitely a little bit of a dead zone right here.
Right?
Like right there.
It's hard as shit to manage, right?
Yeah, dude, I think, like, even for me, it's hard to wheelie this. Like, I'd see why this would not be easy to
Dude, I'm having such a hard time with it.
Like, really, it's
It's a little jumpy, right?
Yeah, it's exactly. So, like, that's scary if you just, like, pop back too far, like...
Yeah, that's why I'm so intimidated. Alright, I'm glad that it's not just me.
No, it's not just you, dude. You should definitely try and toy with it.
Well, what is yours set at?
I have no clue. I just put it on and I'm like, okay.
So his is power and torque. So this is what yours is set at. Well, he seems to manage that a little bit better.
It feels so much better. Because that's how mine is. Like, you get it.
Oh my god. Dude, it's so much better.
Yeah, dude.
I'm so glad I saw what yours is set. Yeah.
So much better.
Yo, what is this place? Yo, this is cool as shit. Man, I'm not used to riding in loose stuff like this. Like, I don't have any sort of panoramic views.
Yeah, it's beautiful, dude. You get, like, especially at night here, too. You get all the city lit up and the bridge and everything.
Dude, you gotta try the same thing with this. This fucking guy.
Oh, my goodness.
Jesus Christ. I don't even know what to think about that.
Hey, if anyone's missing a Honda.
Look at that head hanging on the tree.
Dude, I thought this was a person. Don't cross the line. All who does will be dealt with harshly. Don't touch a tail? Don't touch or take anything. You're on camera. Waffle.
Waffle.
Alright, Waffle. Hey, this is the first time I did that.
I don't know. Hey, Waffle.
Catching anything? No, we just started picking up the last line. Oh, got you. Are you Waffle? No. Okay.
He walks like he is. Yo, what the hell? I gotta say, that's a unique vibe.
Indeed. Dude, it's basically everyone that's back there just always appears just sus as fuck to me.
Dude, I don't know how you ride that every day and not feel sketch at all.
I don't know, dude, because when you're on the bike, the thing is, everyone kind of already thinks you're like a crazy outlaw.
Yeah.
Like, that's how people are even like riding in the city.
Less likely to fuck with you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Because they think you're already doing like some crazy illegal shit.
So you're
like,
probably equally as crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, my fork feels like it's falling apart after today.
Dude, if you swap to the shot of that thing.
Unfortunately, my 360 cam died pretty early, so we had to cut today's video short. I had very little camera gear with me, but make sure you check out Connor G's YouTube and Instagram page for some exciting Talaria and Razor content. Now that we got the XXX home, I definitely got to look it over. The pads are completely cooked, front and rear, and my fork is starting to make some odd clunking noises, so I got to look over the suspension before we take this thing back out again. In other exciting news, I'm supposedly receiving a 72 volt bike in the next couple weeks from a certain company in California. Comment below if you can take a guess what it is. The only clues that I'm going to give you are it goes over 50 miles an hour and it's supposed to cost less than $3,000. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with my Talaria, my project razors, or figure out what bike I'm going to be getting in the next couple weeks, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.